Before beginning, assemble the following supplies for the Evaclean program. Vertical shelving, 5-gallon jugs, containers with spigots, 32-ounce bottles with caps, Pure One 13.1 gram tubs, Pure One labels for containers, bottles, and buckets, Protexis electrostatic sprayer for terminal cleans, purtabs 3.3 gram tub for use with the Protexis sprayer for terminal cleans, and purtabs labels for the Protexis sprayer tanks. Purtabs or Pure One solutions should not be used with quaternary ammonium products like Virex 256 to ensure no harsh fumes or odors are produced. Pure One kills bacteria in biofilm. Pure One and Purtabs for surface disinfection kill C. diff and EPA, K-list emerging pathogens such as Candida auris in 4 minutes. Place the 5-gallon containers in a vertical position. Fill the 5-gallon containers to the fill line with warm tap water. Select 5 13.1 gram tablets of Pure One and drop them into the tank one by one. Wait at least 5 minutes until the tablets have fully dissolved before replacing and closing the cap. Select 20 13.1 gram tablets of Pure One and drop them into the tank one by one. Wait at least 5 minutes until the tablets have fully dissolved before replacing and closing the cap. Once concentrations are fully dissolved, place the containers on the shelving unit. Fill bottles of pre-diluted Pure One up to the fill line on your labeled 32-ounce wide mouth bottle. Determine the number of microfiber cloths you will need for your shift to properly charge the microfiber cloths. Prior to placing cloths in the bucket, ensure that you properly fold each cloth in half, then fold it in half again to have 8 sides to clean with and for optimal saturation. Place appropriate number of microfiber cloths in the bucket, and then pour the needed amount of solution evenly over the top. Allow at least 5 minutes for saturation prior to using. Fill bottles of pre-diluted Pure One up to the fill line of your labeled 32-ounce bottle. Determine the number of microfiber flat mops you will need for your shift to properly charge the mops. Place the appropriate number of flat mops into the bucket and then pour the needed amount of solution evenly over the top. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for saturation prior to using. If using charging buckets with lids, secure the lid and flip the bucket upside down for 5 minutes to achieve full saturation. Take a microfiber cloth from the bucket and begin cleaning surfaces and high touch points, using all sides of the microfiber prior to grabbing another. Assemble the Protexis sprayer and tub of Purtabs from the workstation. Gather necessary PPEs, which include goggles and face mask. Remove the tank from the sprayer. and fill the 32-ounce tank with warm tap water up to the fill line. Drop 4 of the 3.3 gram purtabs tablets into the tank one by one. Allow to fully dissolve 2 to 3 minutes prior to inserting the tank back into the sprayer. Align the grooves at the back of the tank with the sprayer body. Push down until it clicks and lock the tank in place by rotating the black ring. Prior to spraying, ensure you have your necessary PPEs on. Following the same pattern of cleaning, spray all surfaces with the Protexis sprayer, maintaining an optimal distance of 2 to 3 feet and spraying each surface no longer than 1 second for ideal saturation. Let air dry. Be sure to move slowly across all horizontal and vertical surfaces, including curtains, until all room surfaces are disinfected. Be careful to not oversaturate electronics. Grab a flat mop from the charge bucket. Place the flat mop on the floor and secure the mop on top. Begin mopping the floors from inside the corner of the room, making your way to the door. For questions, refer to the reference guides supplied with your training, either by scanning the QR codes on your stickers for quick video tutorials, or referring back to your laminated training guides in the chemicals closet and your housekeeping carts.